This 2022 Airstream Interstate 24x4WD is a Class B RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Airstream is 24 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 3, microwave, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, awning, auxiliary battery, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, air conditioning, refrigerator, and 23 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2022 Airstream Interstate 24x4WD is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.